So this is another version of a Murphy chair. Notice this one's not straight up and down, this slopes back. This is just a demo unit that we have in the office. Same concept, holds 600 pounds. When I sit on it, it auto folds up. It's very cool. Different colors to choose from. But what you don't see here too is I can add arms onto this on both sides and a tray if I even wanted to add it. It's awesome for auditoriums. Why would you use this in an auditorium? Well, it uses less space. So in an auditorium, think of it like a big auditorium or a classroom, I'm getting more rows per square foot by utilizing space-efficient Murphy chairs. Obviously, I might want to add the arms, not always though, that when I'm sitting on it and I stand up, it auto folds up, gets out of the way, that becomes my egress aisle. So they're really cool. You sit on them, they're pretty comfortable with the slope back, and when I stand up, they auto fold.